Ever wondered what the difference between an encoder and a decoder is? These two devices play a crucial role in our modern world of digital communication, converting data signals and enabling the smooth transfer of information from one point to another. Firstly, let's delve into the concept of an encoder. An encoder is a device that transforms an active data signal into a coded message format. In other words, it takes a clear, unambiguous piece of information and turns it into a form of code that isn't so easily understood. This is done using a combinational circuit, which converts binary information from multiple input lines to fewer output lines, effectively creating a coded binary output for the input received. This encoding process is akin to creating a secret language, one that can only be understood by a device that knows how to decipher it. On the other hand, a decoder is the device that knows this secret language. It performs the reverse operation of an encoder, converting the coded message back into its original, clear format. Like an encoder, a decoder also utilizes a combinational circuit, but its operation is the exact opposite. It takes fewer input lines and expands them into more output lines, effectively recreating the original signal from the coded input. A decoder, in essence, is the key that unlocks the secret language created by the encoder. Now, you might be wondering, what are the key differences between an encoder and a decoder? Well, while they might seem similar, there are several distinctions to take note of. An encoder primarily converts an active information signal into a coded digital bit stream. The decoder, however, recovers the original information signal from these coded bits. Hence, while the encoder is installed at the transmitting end, the decoder finds its place at the receiving end. The number of inputs accepted by an encoder is exponentially more than its outputs, with the ratio being 2 to the power of n inputs to n outputs. A decoder, on the other hand, works the opposite way. It accepts n inputs and converts them into 2 to the power of n outputs. In terms of complexity, the encoder's operation is relatively simple, while a decoder's operation is more complex. This is due to the fact that a decoder has to unravel the coded data bits to generate the original signal. In terms of usage, encoders are commonly found in applications such as email and video encoders, while decoders are used in microprocessors and memory chips. So, there you have it, the difference between an encoder and a decoder. These two devices, working in tandem, form the backbone of our digital communication systems, ensuring that our data gets from point A to point B in a secure and efficient manner. Understanding them is key to understanding the world of digital communication, a world that is becoming increasingly important in our tech-driven age.